Hey all gorgeous people out there, hope you are doing great. This is Sony and welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about Shein haul. Yes, I know that many of the people has boycotted the Chinese product, but I just ordered this product before the lockdown and I just received this product few days back, so I'm pretty much excited to share my experience with the Shein website with you guys. So here I am with a lot of these products to share with you guys the experience that I had with the Shein website. So let's get started with it. The first product that I got from the Shein website is this, a pocket contact lens case. So let's open this and see how the case it is. This is a container that I got from the Shein website for my lens cases. Actually, I'm very fond of colored lenses. Actually, the quality of this product is very nice. It's metal, it's not a plastic. And whenever I just open this case, I just got one mirror. If you can see, I just got one of the mirror in it, and there is a one small bottle for my lens solution. So it's very easy to use, and there is one case. If I can see the back side of this case, there is written right and left. So it becomes very easy for you to know in which case your right eye lens is and in which case your left eye lens is. I just got two these small tools through which I can place and remove my lenses from my eyes. So these are also very nice tools I found in it, and there are many more style of such contact lens cases. You surely can visit the Shein website and see various styles and designs of such cases, whichever suits best for you. Highly recommendable from my side if you are a lens lover. So let's move forward and see the next product what we got from the Shein website. So the next product that we got from the Shein website are these three fake nails extensions. Actually, I'm very fond of fake nails, and these are the three boxes that I got. I heard a lot about the fake nails from Shein website, and whenever I got this, I'm quite impressed as the quality of these products are very nice. I'm black lover, so I just love these two products, and in fact I love all these three, and I'm surely gonna use this in any one of my videos. I just got these my nude nails with a price of 179. So got these black and white fake nails with a price of 203, and got these my favorite one with a price of 215. But seriously, these are worth of the price and very nice products. I will surely gonna recommend you to try these products. So let's move forward to the another product as well. One more thing, I just got these type of sticker with each of my nail kit, as these are quite convenient to use. So you can forget about the nail glues, which becomes quite tedious to use sometimes. So these are quite convenient. You can just remove this sticker and apply it on your nails, and just use your fake nails to stick to your to your original nail, and it becomes very easy to use such nails. So I'm quite impressed from the products that I received from the Shein website, and in the terms of these fake nails. The product that I got from the Shein website are these 10 pieces travel bottles. So let's open the package and see how the quality of these products are. So I just open this one, and this. It's a very small container, so you can place anything in these containers. You can either place your lip balm or your broken lipstick, kajal. If some of your eye glitters bottles have been broke, you can use these type of the containers. They are quite nice. The quality is nice. I like the quality, and I was quite waiting for these containers. I wanted to place some of my eye glitters in such bottles. So I'm quite impressed from these products as well. These are also the nice if you are also looking for such a small container where you can place some of your lip balms, lipstick. So you can try these ones out. And I got 10 pieces of the bottles with the price of 144. So it's nice. So you can surely try this. These are not much expensive products, and these can be used anytime or anywhere in your life. So the next product that I received from the Shein website are these lashes. Actually, I was so much confused which one to buy, so I got all these, and I'm pretty much excited to use these, and surely I will gonna create a video on these Shein eyelashes as well, because I want to see how these lashes will gonna look on me when I'm gonna apply these on my eyes. So do visit and see that video as well to see my reviews on these eyelashes. So let's see all these eyelashes one by one. Firstly, I got these two eyelashes from the She Glam. Uh, the brand name is actually the She Glam, and these are two types of the lashes. These are one are the lighter one and these are the heavier one. So I bought both the two to try the lashes, and I just got these lashes with the price of 208 for a single packet, and I just bought these two packets for the lashes, and these are not much expensive. These are of in a bit nice range. In 200 range I'm getting the 3 lashes, so it is nice to buy the 3 lashes with the price of 208. So not much expensive, so you surely can try it. Or if you are a beginner, then these are the best lashes that you can try, that how to use the lashes and see the results of the lashes, how you can try it. So I am quite impressed from these products. The second type of lashes that I got are these. Actually it is not having any of the brand in it, but these are the 5 different style of lashes in a single packet. When I see these lashes, I'm quite confused because they are quite lengthy lashes. I don't know where to use such lashes, as they are quite denser and very longer lashes, and I can't use these lashes in my normal makeup. So let's see where I will gonna use these lashes, and I will also gonna review about these lashes as well when I will gonna create the video. Another type of the lash that I got from the Shein, and the container of this eyelash is very nice. If you want to reuse your lashes, you can clean your lashes and place it again in this container. So packaging is also important, so this is the reason why I love these lashes. And when I open these lashes, the quality of the lashes is also very nice. I just got the background with a shiny appearance, and the lashes are neither too heavy and neither too light. So I think so I'm surely gonna try these lashes. I'm quite impressed with the quality of this product, and I just got these lashes with a price of 234. So you can try these lashes if you want to. So let's move forward and see the next type of the lashes. So these are the next type of the lashes that I ordered, and these are the single lashes. It is not a complete band of the lashes. So if someone is having any of the problem in using the whole lash band, because many of the women having the problem that whenever they use the eyelashes, they got watery eyes, or you can say that they feel it quite heavier. They don't feel comfortable to use the lashes, so they can use these type of the lashes, as these are the individual lashes. So you don't need to put the whole band of the lashes. You can see these are very single. You can just pick the single lashes and just place it to the outer corner of your eye. It's a very bit lengthier appearance and natural look to your eyelashes. So you can try these lashes also. I'm quite waiting for these type of the lashes to try, because I never did. So I'll surely gonna try it and review how these will gonna look in my eyes. So let's wait. So the next package that I got from the Shein website is this. Actually I found this combo with a price of 692, so I haven't waited and put this in my cart. And actually this is a DIY facial sheet bowl. So let's open this and see what are the rest of the products in this packaging I received. So the first product that I got from this package is this small bowl where you can mix any of your face mask for the application. So the product quality is okay to use, not so good, not so bad from my side, so normal. The second product that I got from this package is this one small sponge from which you can clean your face after your face mask application. The next product is this applicator brush. It's quite small, but I like this one. From this brush we can apply the face mask on our face, so it's quite handy, quite small, but nice to use. Let's see how it will gonna work. So the next product from this are these measuring spoons to measure the products. So nice. And the next product is this small container You can place anything in this container. It's not quite nice, and the quality of the plastic is also nice. I like the quality. So this is the nice one, the container. And the one of the container I got is this spray bottle. Use this just to put in your rose water or anything in it, so it is nice. And the last product I got is this applicator, or you can say that you can remove your face mask or a bleach, anything from this, so it's nice. And the second package is this compressed facial sheet mask. So let's open this and see how these are. I just got these small, you can say that, in the form of a candy packaging, and these are the compressed facial sheet masks. I was waiting to just receive these because I had never tried these type of the facial sheet mask. I'm very excited to try these one out. And the total number of the facial sheets I got are 109, so it's a very huge package and I can use it a long time. I'm quite impressed from this package. Highly recommendable from my side as well. So the next product that I got from the Shein website is this. It's very smooth and I just love this hairband. It's a leopard print hairband with the price of 175. There are a wide variety of hairbands on the Shein website. I was very confused to choose which one to buy and which one to not. A lot of such hairbands with a price of 150 to 200. You surely can visit the website, and I just love this print and this style, so I just bought this hairband. Nice, I love this hairband. So the next product that I got from the Shein website are these brushes. I just received these brushes with a price of 361. So I haven't even expected the much better quality from these brushes at such a price. So these brushes are of normal quality with the normal price range. So not much recommendable from my side, but yeah, I think I surely can use this in any of my makeup, and let's see where I can use such brushes, but it's normal one, not so recommendable from my side. Then the next product that I received from the Shein website are also the makeup brushes, and these are these makeup brushes. I'm very much impressed from these brushes. If you can see that each and every brush has been packed with these brush nuts with the price of 867. Very nice brushes with a very better quality. If you are a beginner, you surely can buy these brushes from the Shein website. I just love these brushes actually, and I'm surely gonna place these brushes in my makeup kit as well. Highly recommendable. So the next product that I received from the Shein website are these earrings, and I seriously love the quality of these earrings. They are of very nice quality with a very nice price range. I just received these lion engraved square earrings with a price of 164, and these geometric shaped earrings with a price of 174, and these rhinestone flowers with the price range of 184. A lot of such earrings are available on the Shein website. I heard a lot about the quality of such accessories from the Shein website. This is the first time I ordered the accessories from the Shein website, and I am highly impressed from the quality of these earrings. There are a lot of styles. You can say that a huge amount of styles are available on the Shein website of such earrings. You surely can visit and check out the styles of the earrings. I was just able to bought only these 3 types of the earrings. So the last and the final product that I received from the Shein website is this. This is a 3D facial massager, and I was waiting for this product to come as I had never tried such tools on my face. So let's open this and see how it is. Okay, I got something. Okay. Here it is. I just got one of the user manual in this product. So here it is a complete description how to use this tool on your face. So let's see the product, and here it is. I just received this product. Actually, I just expected a quite small product, and I just received this huge one. So I'm very much impressed from the quality of this product, and you can say that the size of this product, and I like the shine it is giving. Let's see how it works. I have no idea that how it works. I will also gonna read this manual and see how it will gonna give the best results to my face. So you can use this product to contour your face, or you can contour your body, just to remove your double chin. So let's see how it will gonna work, and I will gonna create a video on this tool as well to see how it will gonna work and give you the best result out of them. So do wanna view that video so that you can know how to use this tool for the better result. And I got this product with the price range of 250. It is quite in your budget, so you surely can try this tool for if someone is having the bulky face or the heavier face, or if someone is not so happy from his or her double chin. So if you are female or a male, you both can try this tool. So highly recommended from my side, and I will also surely gonna use this tool, that how it will give the perfect result to my face as well. These are the old products that I ordered from the Shein website and I received, and I'm quite impressed from the quality of these products. There are only one or two products from which I'm not so much impressed, but rest of the products are seriously a very nice quality in my budget. So if you also wanted to buy something from the Shein website, you surely can visit the Shein website. And this is not any sponsored video, guys, so don't think that I'm getting any of the money from the company to promote the products. These are the old products which I buy from my side and share my experience with you. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel for such videos, and do view my upcoming videos to get the reviews on the Shein product. So here's my time to say goodbye to you guys. Thanks for viewing my video, and lots of love from my side. Bye.